Merlin Video Training Course, Session 2, My Place. When you first log on to Merlin, by default you arrive in the My Place area, and the first area we will look at is the My Desktop feature. This area is customizable, allowing you to set up features and arrange items in a way that suits your style of working. Note that although this area is labelled as private, the Merlin administrator for your establishment can see into your My Place area, and teachers can see their students' My Place areas too. This is the News widget, which shows you the news from all the places within Merlin that you're a member of. You can add other widgets from the gallery simply by clicking and dragging the widget onto the desktop. To customise the bookmark widget, for example, click on the hammer and spanner icon and enter the details of the website that you wish to bookmark. And then click OK. Clicking on the bookmark opens up the web page, but make sure you have pop-ups enabled on your web browser first. You can now store all of your favourite website addresses and have them available on any computer you may be using. You also have a calendar. We don't really recommend you using the calendar as your own personal diary, although you can add your own events if you want to. It's much more useful to use the calendar as a tool to show you an overview of calendars from other places within Merlin. If you click Browse All, you can select which area's calendars you would like to see overlaid together on your calendar. You have a My Files area, where you can upload your own documents and arrange them into folders. Think of it as your online memory stick. Simply upload your files by browsing to them in the usual way and then clicking OK to upload. You can also organise your files just by clicking and dragging them into folders. The My Profile area allows you to change the theme of Merlin to suit your tastes. And it also allows you to customise your VMe, which is your own avatar within the Merlin learning environment. Work your way along the bottom toolbar, clicking the various features that you want your VMe to have. The colour wheel allows you to change the colours of the clothes and items. When you're done, click on Finish and then Save. You can come back and change your outfits at any time. The Change Profile area is where you can give additional information about yourself. We strongly recommend that you add an email address to this box, which will allow Merlin to communicate with you, especially sending you email alerts when things are added or changed. We will look at alerts in a future session. The second half of the screen is more optional, and it gives other users in your establishment more information about you and your role. It's an area we wouldn't normally recommend children to be filling in. Don't forget to click Save Changes after you're done. The Change Password tab allows you to change your password. You need to put in your existing password first as a security measure, and then enter your new password twice, making sure that it corresponds to the password policy of your establishment, which by default for adults is 6 characters or more with a capital letter. The e-portfolio is a place within Merlin that you have full control of, and it allows you to create content that you can either keep private or share with others. This area will make more sense to you when we've looked at our places. That concludes the quick tour of the My Place area of Merlin. In Session 3, we'll look at the Our Places area.